What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Google Pixelbook Go. So I pre-ordered this when it was available for pre-order, and it's just coming in today. So I am really excited about checking this out. If I can get the box cut open here and check this device out, guys. So as you guys know, I did have previously, the Google Pixel Slate, but that device is no longer here. It changed addresses, and I'm going to tell you why in a little bit. Let's get this out of the box here. Let's get this stuff out the way without knocking over lights and cameras and everything. So, all right, box on the floor. All right, so I had the Google Pixel Slate, and I didn't really like the form factor of that device so much. Didn't like the keyboard setup for it. I tried the bridge keyboard, and I tried the official Google Slate keyboard, and when you have it in your lap, it's not as stable as I wanted. And when I had the bridge type keyboard, that was a Bluetooth enabled keyboard, so a few times it did disconnect, and I just didn't like that form factor. I did have the original Pixelbook, and I loved that device. So when I saw this come out, then I just decided this is the one I'm going to give a try. So I picked up the 8th gen. This is the Google Pixel Go. I got the 8th gen Intel Core M3 processor. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, and that's the one I picked up. And I got the Just Black. You can see, nice picture there of someone on the go with the Go. So let's get this plastic off. I'm kind of excited, guys. Maybe can hear it in my in my breathing and my speech. But I like getting new toys to play with. And if this one is nearly as good as the original Pixelbook, then should be happy. All right, so here's the Pixelbook. Initial impressions, straight out the box. Very lightweight and pretty thin. So set it to the side and see what else is in the box. This is only going to be an unboxing, guys. So we do get some stickers. Let's get started guide. Your safety warranty, product information stuff, which we all read. No, we don't. So get this stuff back in there. You do get your cable, which is a long cable, both Type-C ends here. And you get your power brick here. And I can't see what the wattage is on it. So, but it's a big brick, as you guys can see. And I think that's it in the box, as far as I know. All right, so let's get the box out of the way. Oh, bumpy cam. What happens when you get big devices? All right, so here's the Pixelbook Go. All right, now I've watched quite a few videos on this thing, and I do like the form factor of this. Let's go around it. You got your G logo there, nothing else. On this side, you do have your Type-C and your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And you got another Type-C here. And this has that washboard bottom on it. It feels good, man. It feels good. Kind of plastic feeling, I would say. I'm not sure what material it is made out of. And look at that. Normally you have to plug them in to get them to power up. But this one powered up well, quick. Here's the keyboard. Very nice looking keyboard. Got a little Pixelbook brand in there. think this is supposed to be a glass trackpad, and it looks good, guys. Got speakers on the top. Keys feel pretty nice. And then you got a 12.3-inch display, I think. And it is 1080. You do have your front-facing camera there, but very lightweight, very thin, as you can see. And I am eager to set this up and start using it. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna pause the video and get logged in and come right back. Okay, guys, so I got all my information in, and this is the start screen. It says "Howdy, Will." Sound like it's from my part of the States. All right, so I want to see, I got the 64 gigabyte storage. I want to see how much storage is actually available. I do see you still have the mobile data connection there with this. And I do want to see, just out of the box, out of the 64, how much you actually get before it actually starts downloading my apps and things. So it's got 44.9 gigabytes available out of the box. So that should be plenty for me, because I'm not going to be storing a lot of stuff on here with the two Type-C ports here. You can hook up your hard drives, your SSDs, things of that nature to this. And yeah, there's no micro SD card slot on here either. That's what I was checking out during my excitement earlier. I forgot about it. This is also touchscreen as well, guys. And the screen looks good so far. Let's see if I can pull up some music or something and check these speakers right quick. Like I said, this is just mainly going to be an unboxing. Let me get back into it. Just an unboxing, but does have top firing speakers here. Let's go. And let's just pick something. This is non-copyright. Let's try this. I'm not sure what it is, but we're gonna play it. Speakers actually sound pretty good, guys. That's max volume. Yeah, they sound good. So speakers are going to be a go on this. Hey, they put that over there. So, all right. One thing from the original one, this is not a 2-in-1. It only folds back to here. So that's going to be something. I did like being able to put the original and intent mode, laptop mode, and things like that. But so far, I'm digging this. I'll come back with some more coverage of this device. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.